Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to Atwa classes. This presentation is for class 1, subject English reader, chapter number 1, The Magic Show. Today's topic is exercise. Today's topic is exercise. In this exercise, we will do word meaning, fill-ups and question answers. Okay, lecture number 2. Students, in a previous lecture we have done reading. Let us revise again. One magician came to the school for magic show. एक जादूगर स्कूल में जादू का शो दिखाने आई. She had a rabbit whom she called E. उसके पास एक रैबिट था जिसको वो क्या कह के पुकारती थी? E कह के पुकारती थी. What she called? E. The rabbit wore a black hat. रैबिट ने क्या पहना था? Black hat पहना था. Do you know what she did? She put a cub into the hat. उसने कब को हैट में डाल दिया. क्या कर दिया? कब को हैट में डाल दिया. She waved her magic wand. उसने अपने जादू की छड़ी घुमाई और कहा आब्राकाडाब्रा आब्राकाडाब्रा. क्या कहा? आब्राकाडाब्रा आब्राकाडाब्रा. The cup changed into an ice cube. Second time she kept a pin in the hat. Second time उसने एक पिन को हैट में रख दिया. Then again she waved her magic wand and said the magic words abracadabra abracadabra. The pin changed into a pine tree. The words changed in no time. शब्द जो थे वो बिल्कुल चेंज होने में समय नहीं ले रहे थे. The children learned many words too. बच्चों ने बहुत सारे वर्ड्स इससे सीखे. And the children enjoyed very well. Okay, students, let us start exercise. Students, I have already made this format. So you have to make this format accordingly. आपको भी ऐसे ही बनाना है. चैप्टर 1 द मैजिक शो, जो भी चैप्टर आपको वही लिखना है. यू हैव टू राइट हियर डेट, क्लास वर्क. Okay, now let us start word meaning. First of all, you have to write here word. W-O-R-D, word. Meaning, M-E-A-N-I-N-G, word meaning. Number 1, children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. Children means बच्चे. Children means बच्चे. Writing should be neat and clean. Okay, speak and write, बोल बोल कर लिखना है आपको. Number 2, famous, F-A-M-O-U-S, famous. Famous means प्रसिद्ध. Famous means प्रसिद्ध, विख्यात. ओके, आपको ऐसे लिखना है. नंबर 3, मैजिशियन, M-A-G-I-C-I-A-N, मैजिशियन. मैजिशियन मीन्स जादूगर. मैजिशियन, जादूगर. Number 4, playground, P-L-A-Y, play, G-R-O-U-N-D, playground. Playground means खेल का मैदान. Playground means खेल का मैदान. Number 5, suddenly, Suddenly. Suddenly. Suddenly means अचानक. Suddenly means अचानक. Number 6. Screamed. 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 Screamed means चिल्लाया. Screamed means चिल्लाया. Scream चिल्लाना. Screamed चिल्लाया. Number 7. Wonderful. WONDER. Wonder. FUL. Full. Wonderful. Wonderful means आश्चर्यजनक. आश्चर्यजनक. Okay. Number 8. Thanked. 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 Thanked means धन्यवाद किया. धन्यवाद किया. A. Fill in the blanks. Students, before doing these fill-ups, you have to read the chapter carefully. After that, you will do these fill-ups easily. Okay, let us start. Number 1. It was the dash day in the school. It was the dash day in the school. Which was the day? Circus day. So we will write here circus. CIRCUS. Circus day. It was the circus day in the school. Number 2. The children were waiting for the dash. बच्चे किसका इंतजार कर रहे थे? The children were waiting for the magician. MAGICIAN. बच्चे जादूगर का इंतजार कर रहे थे. Number 3. She had a dash whom she called E. जो जादूगर थी उसके पास क्या था जिसे वो ई करके पुकारती थी? She had a rabbit. उनके पास एक रैबिट था जिनको वो ई कह के पुकारती थी. She had a rabbit whom she called E. Number 4. The cub came from the dash of the stage. The cub came from the left side. LEFT. Left side. Left side of the stage. Number 5. The cub changed into a cube. 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 The cub changed into a cube. Number 6. The magician called a dash on the stage. Magician ने स्टेज पर किसको बुलाया था? The magician called a girl. GIRL. Girl on the stage. The magician called a girl on the stage. Number 7. The dash changed into pine. The pin changed into pine. Let us read this again. Number 1. It was the circus day in the school. Number 2. The children were waiting for the magician. Number 3. She had a rabbit whom she called E. Number 4. The cub came from the left side of the stage. Number 5. The cub changed into a cube. Number 6. The magician called a girl on the stage. Number 7. The pin changed into pine. Part B. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. नीचे दिए गए प्रश्नों के उत्तर देने हैं. Okay. Question number 1. Who came to the school? Who came to the school? Who means कौन, came means आया, school means school. School में कौन आया? Student, already you have read this chapter, so you should know the answer. Okay. School में कौन आया? Who came to the school? The magician. Who came to the school? Magician. Magician means जादूगर. The magician came to the school. Full stop. The magician came to the school. जादूगर स्कूल में आया. Question number 2. What was the rabbit wearing? What was the rabbit wearing? What means क्या? Rabbit means खरगोश. Wearing means पहन रहा था. खरगोश क्या पहन रहा था? You can say also उस खरगोश ने क्या पहना था? Okay. तो the answer is the rabbit, RABBIT, the rabbit wore, wore a black, BLACK, black hat. The rabbit wore a black hat. Rabbit means खरगोश, wore means पहना, black means काला, hat means टोप. खरगोश ने काला टोप पहना था. Okay, number 3. What did the magician do to call the cub? What did the magician do to call the cub? Magician means जादूगर. जादूगर ने कब को बुलाने के लिए क्या किया? What did the magician do to call the cub? जादूगर ने कब को बुलाने के लिए क्या किया? The magician, MAGICIAN. The magician whistled, WHISTLET, whistled to call the cub. Magician means जादूगर, whistled means सीटी बजाई, call means बुलाने के लिए, to the the cub, शेर के बच्चे को. जादूगर ने शेर के बच्चे को बुलाने के लिए क्या किया? The magician whistled to call the cub. जादूगर ने शेर के बच्चे को बुलाने के लिए सीटी बजाई. Whistled means सीटी बजाई. Question number 4. What happened to the cub in the hat of E? What means क्या? Happened means हुआ, cub means शेर का बच्चा, in the hat, hat में, टॉप में, of E, E के टॉप में. E, who is E? You know, E is the name of rabbit. E rabbit का नेम था. ओके, रैबिट के जो हेड में, ई के हेड में कब के साथ क्या हुआ? यू नो क्या हुआ? व्हाट हैपेंड? द कब, THE, द कब changed, CHANGED, changed into an ice cube, CUBE, cube. The cup changed into an ice cube. कब किस में चेंज हो गया था? क्यूब में, आइस क्यूब में चेंज हो गया था. ओके, व्हाट हैपन टू द कप इन द हेड ऑफ ई? ई के हेड में कप के साथ क्या हुआ? द कप चेंज्ड इनटू एन आइस क्यूब. कप आइस क्यूब में चेंज हो गया था. पहले वो कप था, जब वो ई के साथ मैच किया, ई के साथ, ई के हेड में गया, तो वो आइस क्यूब, बर्फ का क्यूब बन गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. व्हाट चेंज्ड इनटू पाइन? व्हाट चेंज्ड इनटू पाइन? पाइन में क्या चेंज हुआ? पाइन में क्या चेंज हुआ? व्हाट चेंज इनटू पाइन? पाइन में क्या चेंज हुआ? The pin changed into pine. जो पिन थी वो किस में चेंज हो गई थी? पाइन में. पाइन इज द नेम ऑफ अ ट्री. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Did you enjoy the magic of E? Did you enjoy the magic of E? Enjoy means मजे करने, magic means जादू. E के मैजिक में, E के जादू में क्या आपने मजे किए? Yes. Did you enjoy? So you have to write here, yes, we enjoyed the magic of E. Yes, we enjoyed the magic of E. हाँ, हमने E के जादू का enjoy किया. Students, first of all, you have to draw these lines for format. Okay. After that, you have to write here date. DATE, date. Then CW. Suppose you are doing classwork, then write here CW. If you are doing homework, then write here HW. Got it? Then chapter name CHAPTER. Chapter number 1. Then chapter name The Magic Show. What's the name of chapter? The Magic Show. Now write here new words. New words. WORDS. New words. Okay. Now we will write number 1. children. 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 Number 2. Number 5. Suddenly. 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 Number 6. Appeared. 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 Number 7. Screamed. 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 Number 8. Whistled. 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 Number 9. Walked. Walked. Number 10. Learned. Learned. Number 11. Wonderful. Wonder. Wonderful. Number 12. Thanked. Thanked. Homework. Do word meaning in your fair notebook and send it to my mail ID by 8 p.m. Students, if you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.